Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I make my delicious salsa matcha. In case you guys want to know how I make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, so we're going to begin by getting a frying pan. We're going to set it on medium-low heat. It's about level 2. And to that we're going to add 1 cup of olive oil, a little piece of onion, and 3 garlic cloves. And we're just going to leave them in there for about 4 minutes. Okay, so after 4 minutes, we're going to add half of a tortilla, and we're just going to allow it to fry. Okay, so once the tortillas are nice and crispy, we're going to remove them from the oil. And at this point, we're going to turn it off. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds and 1 teaspoon of salt. So we're just going to allow the sesame seeds to golden up. Okay, so once the sesame seeds have changed color, we're going to add a little piece of chile ancho and 25 chile de árbol. And we're just going to leave them in there until the oil cools down. Okay, so once everything has cooled down, we're going to transfer it to our blender cup. Along with the tortilla. Okay, so now we're just going to blend everything until we have a smooth salsa. Okay, and just like that, we have our delicious salsa matcha. Okay, so once we have our salsa matcha, now we're just going to transfer it to a bowl. Okay, so now just try it for salt. And for me, it's perfect. So now we're just ready to enjoy our delicious salsa matcha. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now I'm going to have my salsa matcha in a quesadilla, but let me tell you that this salsa is perfect with everything. Your pozole, your tacos, your tortas, quesadillas, huevos, literally everything. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. It is spicy, so if you don't want it to be very spicy, add less chiles de árbol, but for me, this is seriously the best. So cheers and enjoy. The best, super delicious. It is a little spicy, but like I said, it's perfect. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I made my delicious salsa matcha. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.